What if I told you that the difference between looking like a tourist and looking effortlessly chic while traveling comes down to just 10 strategic clothing pieces that most people completely overlook when packing? I'm about to reveal the layering secrets that fashion insiders use to create dozens of outfit combinations from a single carry-on bag. Travel fashion doesn't have to mean sacrificing style for practicality. After years of observing how the most stylish travelers pack and dress, I've discovered that the real game changer isn't having more clothes, it's having the right layering pieces that work harder for you. These aren't your typical packing list items, and that's exactly why they're so powerful. Let's start with the most underrated piece in travel fashion, the silk scarf square. Not the long rectangular scarves everyone thinks of, but those perfect squares that seem too fancy for vacation. Wrong. This single piece can transform any basic outfit into something Instagram-worthy. Wear it as a headband for those bad hair days on long flights. Tie it around your neck for dinner reservations. Use it as a belt to cinch oversized clothing, or even wear it as a top with high-waisted bottoms for beach days. The versatility is incredible, and it takes up virtually no space in your luggage. Next up is something that will completely change how you think about travel footwear. Forget packing multiple pairs of shoes that eat up precious suitcase space. Instead, invest in neutral-colored sock boots that hit right at your ankle. These work with everything from summer dresses to winter coats. And here's the genius part. They're comfortable enough for walking all day, but elevated enough for nice restaurants. The key is choosing a color like taupe, black, or deep brown that complements everything in your wardrobe. The third piece that most travelers never consider is a structured blazer in an unexpected fabric. Skip the traditional wool or cotton and go for something with stretch or even a knit material that won't wrinkle in your suitcase. This blazer becomes your secret weapon for looking put together instantly. Throw it over a basic tank and jeans for sightseeing, wear it with a dress for evening plans, or layer it under a coat for extra warmth. The structure gives you a polished silhouette no matter what's underneath. Here's where things get really interesting. The fourth essential is a midi-length slip dress in a neutral color or subtle print. This isn't just a dress, it's a foundation piece. Wear it alone for hot weather, layer a sweater over it for cooler days, throw a denim jacket on top for casual exploring, or add that blazer we just talked about for upscale dining. The slip dress works as a base layer under sheer tops or as outerwear over fitted long sleeves. The fifth piece will surprise you, a cropped cardigan that hits right at your natural waist. Most people pack full-length cardigans that can look frumpy, but a cropped version creates beautiful proportions with high-waisted bottoms and can even be worn backwards as a scoop neck top. Choose one in a neutral color or classic stripe that plays well with patterns and solids alike. Moving on to bottoms, the sixth essential is wide-leg trousers in a wrinkle-resistant fabric. These aren't just comfortable for long travel days, they're incredibly versatile. The wide leg creates an elegant silhouette that works with fitted tops, and you can dress them up with heels and a blazer or down with sneakers and a casual top. The key is finding a pair and a color that works with most of your wardrobe. The seventh piece is what I call the magic top, a long-sleeved bodysuit in a neutral color. This eliminates the problem of tops coming untucked and creates a smooth base for layering. It works under blazers, cardigans, overalls, or slip dresses, and the fitted silhouette means it doesn't add bulk under other clothing. Choose one in black, white, or nude depending on your wardrobe color scheme. Number 8 might seem basic, but hear me out. A denim shirt in a slightly oversized fit. This works as a light jacket, a layering piece under sweaters, tied around your waist for extra styling, or worn as a swimsuit cover-up. The versatility is unmatched, and denim goes with everything. Choose a medium wash that works with both light and dark colors. The ninth piece is a lightweight turtleneck sweater that you can pull and scrunch without worrying about shape. This works under everything we've already discussed and adds sophistication to casual outfits. It's perfect for air-conditioned spaces, cool evenings, or layering under blazers and cardigans for extra warmth. Finally, the 10th piece that ties everything together is a statement belt in a quality leather or interesting texture. This single accessory can completely change the silhouette and vibe of any outfit. Use it to cinch oversized pieces, add definition to dresses, or create visual interest with monochromatic looks. The real magic happens when you start combining these pieces. That slip dress with the cropped cardigan and statement belt creates a completely different look than the same dress with the denim shirt and scarf. The wide leg pants with the bodysuit and blazer look entirely different from the same pants with the turtleneck and belt. This approach to travel packing means you're never stuck wearing the same outfit twice, even on extended trips. Each piece works multiple ways, and every combination feels intentional and stylish. The best part? Everything fits in a carry-on, leaving room for souvenirs and spontaneous shopping discoveries. Remember, great travel style isn't about having more options. It's about having the right options that work together seamlessly. These 10 pieces will revolutionize how you pack and how you feel while exploring the world.